Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel which is explore yourselves, banking and general knowledge etc. Today I will discuss about interview questions and answers related to the internal promotion examinations for banks. Welcome to part 34 of my Path to the Corner Office 2025-2026 series where I simplify bank promotion examination interviews with practical questions and answers, examples to help you climb the banking career ladder faster. Interview questions and answers from cloud computing in banking. Question: what is cloud computing? Answer: cloud computing is the on-demand delivery of computing resources such as servers, storage, databases, networking, and software over the internet on a pay-as-use basis. Question: why is cloud computing important for banks? Answer: it enables cost efficiency, scalability, faster deployment, improved customer experience, data analytics, and innovation while reducing infrastructure overhead. Question: what are the key characteristics of cloud computing? Answer: on-demand self-service, broad network access, resource pooling, rapid elasticity, and measured service. Question: what is meant by pay-as-you-go in cloud services? Answer: banks pay only for the resources they actually use, reducing capital expenditure. What is virtualization in cloud computing? Answer: virtualization allows multiple virtual machines to run on a single physical server, improving resource utilization. Question: what are the main cloud service models? Answer: infrastructure as a service, IaaS, platform as a service, PaaS, and software as a service, SaaS. What is IaaS with a banking example? Answer: IaaS provides virtual servers and storage. Example: hosting core banking support systems on cloud infrastructure. What is PaaS in banking? PaaS provides platforms for application development. Example: building digital banking apps without managing underlying hardware. Question: what is SaaS in banking? Answer: SaaS delivers ready-to-use software such as HRMS, CRM, or AML compliance tools. Question: which service model is most sensitive from a risk perspective? Answer: SaaS, as data and applications are fully managed by the cloud service provider. Question: what are the cloud deployment models? Answer: public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, and community cloud. Question: what is a public cloud? Answer: cloud services offered over the internet and shared among multiple users. AWS, Azure. Question: what is a private cloud? Answer: cloud infrastructure dedicated exclusively to one bank, offering higher control and security. Question: what is hybrid cloud and why do banks prefer it? Hybrid cloud combines private and public clouds, balancing security with scalability. Question: what is a community cloud? Answer: cloud infrastructure are shared by organizations with similar requirements, such as multiple banks or financial institutions. Question: is cloud computing permitted for banks in India? Answer: yes, subject to compliance with RBI guidelines on IT governance, data security, and outsourcing. Question: what RBI guidelines apply to cloud adoption? Answer: RBI IT framework, outsourcing of IT services guidelines, cyber security framework, and data localization norms. Question: what is data localization in banking? Answer: critical banking data must be stored and processed within India as per the RBI norms. Question: who is responsible for data security in cloud use? Answer: the bank remains fully accountable even if services are outsourced. Question: what is meant by regulatory compliance risk? Answer: risk of non-compliance of RBI, SEBI, or other statutory requirements due to cloud usage. What are major risks of cloud computing in banking? That answer. Data breaches, vendor lock-in, regulatory risk, cyber attacks, and service outages. So what is vendor lock-in risk? Answer. Difficulty in migrating from one cloud service provider to another. Question. How can banks mitigate cloud security risks? Answer. Strong SLAs, encryption, regular audits, access controls, and incident response mechanisms. Question. What is encryption in cloud computing? Answer. Encoding data to prevent unauthorized access during storage and transmission. Question. What is identity and access management? IAM. Answer. A framework to ensure only authorized users access banking systems and data. Question. What is an SLA in cloud computing? Answer. Service level agreement defining performance, uptime, security, and responsibilities. Why are SLAs critical for banks? Answer. They ensure accountability, service continuity, and regulatory compliance. Question. What is cloud audit? Answer. Independent assessment of cloud controls, security, and compliance. Question. What is business continuity planning? BCP in cloud. Answer. Ensuring uninterrupted banking operations during system failures or disasters. Question. What is disaster recovery DR in cloud computing? Answer. Using geographically separate cloud locations to restore systems during disruptions. Question. How does cloud help in digital banking? Answer. Enables faster rollout of mobile apps, internet banking, chatbots, and AI services. Question. Role of cloud in data analytics for banks. Answer. Processes large volumes of customer and transaction data for insights and decision making. Question. How does cloud support fintech collaboration? Answers. Provides APIs and scalable platforms for faster integration. Question. Can core banking systems be hosted on cloud? Answer. Generally, core banking remains on private or hybrid cloud due to sensitivity. Question. How does cloud improve customer experience? Answer. Faster transactions, better availability and personalization and real-time services. Question. What is multi-cloud strategy? Answer. Using services from multiple cloud providers to reduce dependency risk. Question. What is cloud resilience? Answer. Ability of systems to withstand failures and continue operations. Question. What is shared responsibility model? Answer. Cloud provider manages infrastructure security, banks manage data and access security. Question. What is API banking in cloud? Answer. Using cloud hosted APIs to enable open banking and third party integrations. Question. What is containerization? Answer. Packaging applications with dependencies to ensure consistent deployment across environments. Question. How does cloud reduce costs for banks? Answer. Lower capex, optimized resource usage, and reduced maintenance expenses. Question. What is auto scaling? Answer. Automatic adjustment of resources based on demand. Question. What is latency and why is it important? Answer. Delay in data transmission critical for real-time banking transactions. Question. What is uptime? Answer. Percentage of time cloud services remain operational. Question. Why is monitoring important in cloud environments? Answer. To detect failures, security threats, and performance issues early. Question. Why should a bank not fully rely on public cloud? Answer. Due to data sensitivity, regulatory constraints, and security concerns. Question. How does cloud support financial inclusion? Answer. Enables scalable, low-cost digital services for remote areas. Question. What precautions should banks take before cloud adoption? Answer. Risk assessment, regulatory approval, vendor due diligence, and data classification. Question. What is exit strategy in cloud contracts? Answer. Predefined plan to migrate data and systems when terminating services. Question. What is shadow IT risk? Answer. Use of unauthorized cloud services by employees. Question. Role of cloud in AI and ML for banks. Answer. Supports fraud detection, credit scoring, and customer analytics. Question. How does cloud help in fraud monitoring? Answer. Real-time data processing and pattern analysis. Question. What is zero trust architecture? Answer. Security model assuming to no user or device is trusted by default. Question. What is green computing in cloud? Answer. Energy efficient computing reducing carbon footprint. Question. How does cloud support regulatory reporting? Answer. Automates data aggregation and compliance submissions. Question. Is cloud computing an outsourcing arrangement? Answer. Yes, it falls under outsourcing as per RBI guidelines. Question. Who approves cloud adoption in banks? Board of Directors and senior management. Question. What is data classification in cloud usage? Answer. Categorizing data based on sensitivity and regulatory requirements. Question. What is cloud transformation in banking? Answer. Strategic shift from an traditional IT to cloud-based digital operations. Question. What is the future of cloud computing in banking? Answer. Hybrid cloud dominance, increased automation, AI integration, and stronger regulatory oversight. Thank you very much for your patience. Request for like, subscribe, and share.